Hi guys, myself Dr. C.A. Narendra Shamsukha. I am founder of IC EduSkills. After 10 years of practice, I realized there is a gap between theory and practical, and as a reason to fill the gap, so I started ICA. In last 25 years, we have trained and placed more than 5 lakh people. While taking the feedback, I realized that most of you, it take around 30 to 60 minutes, to take one interview. And even after taking 5 to 7 interview, somehow you end up selecting a mediocre person, and after 1 month or 60 days you realize that person is not able to do the all task what for you have hired. It may be MIS, it may be filing of TDS return, GST return, or might be tally. So I was thinking what can be done, and we come up with a solution for you, that is the employability test. So here in 5 steps, less than 30 seconds, you can set your job role. Now within the job role, what are the skill set you want to check? You can select the skill set, as well as you can align their level also, entry level, mid level, or expert level. And your question paper is ready in 30 seconds. Now with this question paper, you can give to your HR recruiter and ask her to source 20 CVs, maybe more than that, and ask that everyone is student to appear for the test. Maybe 50%, 40%, 60% students are going to pass the test. Now the student who pass the test, there is a second level of test, that is the skill test. So like you want to hire a candidate for to file the TDS return or GST return. Let's talk GST for example. So GST, the 4 things are major. One is the registration, second is the GSTR1, then the GSTR3B and e-way bill. These are the 4 things someone should know. So here you can just again set a question paper less than 30 seconds where you want to check 3B, you want to check e-way bill, and might be registration. So you can select these, and now the student has to appear for a case study in which ditto replica of GST portal they have to prepare and file the return, so that you should selecting the right candidate. After this process, what are the top 3 candidates, then you can meet personally. So knowledge is already checked, skill is already checked. Rest what you need to check is only the alignment with your culture and maybe their communication, energy level, and your salary. And that matter you can settle within 10 to 15 minutes. Means meeting 3 candidates is the max time of maybe around 1 hour, and you will be able to select the right person for your right job. I'll be waiting for your feedback to make it more useful for you. Thank you.